It's a horrific situation very close to the US, Haiti, for example. And I want to mention it because if there were political determination to make sure that there are sanctions imposed against the ones who finance these gangs, there's a strict arms embargo implemented that actually things that the Security Council, when you were there, were decided upon. If that were implemented, you could actually stop it. Plus, you need, of course, the support to the Haitian police force. But I have to say, it's one of those situations that are outside any political attention. And it does have an impact, not only within the Caribbean, but also, for the US eventually. And you have big Haitian populations living here in the US as well, and they follow, of course, what is happening. And there is a direct context there. I do think we need to make sure that a lot of those situations get the attention that they deserve, and that we enhance not only the accountability mechanisms for it, despite the fact that the financing has really gone down massively and it has left us and my office and the mechanisms that we support in an extremely dire situation,